Okay. Watch him fail.
I am not going to fail.
Yes, you are. I bet you $5 you're gonna fail.
What?
You're gonna fail.
No, I'm not.
I bet you $5 you're gonna fail.
Oh! Ow. Ouch.
Let me see. I hate to say this, but I told you so.
No. I'm a champion. Grass. Is that the best you got, huh? Okay, now I'm going to go onto the slide. Now?
Let's watch him fail again.
No, I won't fail this time, but maybe I will. Okay.
I bet you you're gonna fail $5.
Oh, yeah? You said, oh, God.
Watch him fail, guys. It's gonna be funny.
It is not going to be fun. This is serious.
You're gonna fail. That's what's serious. Major fail. Excuse me, everybody. It's major fail. Major fail. Please exit the stadium. It's gonna blow up. It's going to be a major fail. Let's watch him fail, guys.
Okay, now I'm going to start. I'm going to try to roll over.
See, look, you're gonna fail.
I'm stuck.
You're you're gonna fail.
No, I'm not. I'm going to pull myself out.
I hate to say this again, but I told you so.
Oh, my God.
Yeah?
Now in the video.
Okay.